life hacks seem too strange, and yet they work. But are you about to see it for yourself? We have even more interesting videos waiting for you on our new channel, Rocket Hacks. Subscribe so you can be the first to find out about useful life hacks, get advice, and learn creative ideas. Click on the link in the description. Oh, this sun is not only blinding, but it's also preventing me from seeing my phone's screen. I wish I had at least some mini overhang. Let's make one. Take a piece of fabric, a cocktail umbrella, and a drinking straw. Cut the paper off the umbrella. Decorate the needles with chenille sticks. Next, cut out a circle from fabric. Attach it to the umbrella. String the straw on the toothpick. Attach the plug at the end of the straw to attach the umbrella on the phone. Use fluffy modeling clay. Insert the umbrella into the socket of your smartphone. Well, that's much better. That's 1 point for me. Keep your glare to yourself, son. Wow, friend, you're rich. Where does the money come from? It doesn't matter. How about a bet? I bet I'll put on a cap with my mouth. The cap with your mouth? Nonsense. I bet you can't do that. Clamp the visor with your teeth. Bite it abruptly and it safely lands on your head. And no magic. I'm waiting for my winnings. And yes, I answered the question, where I got the money. I love my gambling friends. And now, take a couple of deep plates of different diameters. Pour a little water in a large plate and put a smaller bowl in it. Fill it with something heavy so that the plate does not pop up. Put it in the freezer. When the water freezes, separate the plates. Do it carefully so that the ice does not crack. You got a perfect ice cream plate. The ice cream does not melt, and it is much easier to wash such a plate than the usual one. To be more precise, there is no need to wash it. Just put the empty plate in the sink and wait for the ice to melt. Beautiful! Cleaning is twice as fun if you combine it with watching the video on your favorite channel. However, to hold both the rags and your phone, you need to be a real superhero. Or is it optional? There is one life hack. You will need a selfie stick. Insert your phone in the clamp. Attach the selfie stick on your head so that the screen is in front of your eyes. Tie it with a scarf or a handkerchief, and the problem is solved. Siri, turn it up and let the cleaning begin. This idea will require a flexible wire and a thin strip of toilet paper. Bend the wire to the shape of a triangle with a hook at the end. Put an earring fixture on it. Fasten it. Roll up the paper. Use a straw instead of the sleeve. Put the roll on the triangle. Do you love melodrama? Sad earrings are at your service. A dramatic moment brings tears to your eyes. Do not hold your emotions. After all, the napkins are always on hand. Unroll the paper from the earrings and wipe your weeping eyes. These movies are so touching! I'm wrapping up a few rolls for the stock. It is so hot! The sun is blinding! Water! I need more water! Just don't throw away the bottle. You'll need it again. Cut the neck and bottom with scissors. Leave only the middle part. Fold it in half and cut out glasses. Make a soft frame out of shiny Foamiran. Make incisions in the edges with the box cutters. Insert an elastic band instead of temples. Control fitting! Now you can safely look the sun right in the eye. Hey, you up there! Let's do without burns this time! The friend also complains about the blinding sun. It's strange to hear it from a person with a cardboard box in her hands. Take a cardboard box from pizza. Draw a circle in the center. Cut out a through hole with the box cutter. Put the box over your head and the sun's rays won't bother you anymore. So, how do you like this sombrero? Fashion in its purest form. I decided to visit my friend after school. Oh, come in! You were just in time. Oops! Socks, you were letting me down again! You broke up in the most visible place. Maybe the school whiteout will help to smooth out this awkwardness? While nobody is looking, apply the white stuff to the hole. Ugh! It's good that the socks are also white. Give it a minute to dry out. It worked! The socks with ventilation remained unnoticed. And now take a sheet of Foamiran on an adhesive base, a rope, and a straw. Draw a couple of ovals on the cardboard. Cut them out with the box cutter. Fasten the Foamiran to the cardboard. Cut the straws into 4 parts. Glue them to the corners. Pull the rope between the columns. Stop fighting on your fingers like amateurs! It's time to get to the professional ring. Gong! I wonder which finger will be knocked out. Did you get distracted by your phone and hit a corner? That is so me! But enough taking the pain from blows. Cut out a blot from foam rubber. Paint it in bright yellow using a sponge. Use a thin brush to go over the frame with black. Write the word bump. Go over the inscription in black. Now take a headband. Attach the foam rubber blot to it with the hot glue gun and put it on your hair. So, shall we test the protective bandage? Boom! Yes, if the forehead could speak, it would definitely say thank you. It's just genius! And no more bumps and bruises. Oh, look! A handsome guy is staring at us. He's looking so closely. Is he trying to read lips? Nope, you won't do that. Take out a piece of fabric, a stick, and a straw. Cut the straw into rings. Glue them along the edge of the piece. Put the rings on the plastic stick. Glue the elastic bands on the edges. Put the curtain on your face. They say every girl should have a mystery in her. We need chopsticks for this idea. Just need to improve them a little bit. Cut the place of the join. Make a small groove in the upper part of the stick. Insert a headphone into it. Glue it to keep it more secure. Do the same with the second stick. Confused by the shape of my headphones? These music sticks will prove themselves. What will you do if the sushi delivery forgets to put the second set of chopsticks in? Well, of course, use headphone sticks. If music and sushi are my 2 main passions, why not combine them? Did you like our new life hacks? Write in the comments which one of them did you think was the strangest. Just be honest. Put a like on the video and share it with your friends. And in order not to miss all the most interesting things, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell.